Hi guys, thank you for today. So if you want this, I don't care guys. If you want this, I don't care guys. So thank you for hating me. Thank you so much. Forever. So guys, um, sorry. So sorry guys for hating my followers. So to my so guys, I'm gonna send this to the to TikTok and for YouTube because TikTok hate my video. So I have followers. Thank you guys if you want this account. So guys, bye bye.